Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. Thank you for spotting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet blanket design. So viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. The crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas. You know guys, some people have different choice. Some people have like bright colors and some people have favorite bright colors. In this video I am sharing all different colors. The crochet blanket, cute and unique ideas and plan. All fabulous design from easy. You choose different blanket designs and make the crochet blanket. All of this design look great, so find your favorite pattern now. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more crochet patterns. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So viewers, share this video to your friend and family members. So friends, be connected with me and remember, we in your prayer, we will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.